Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the T-Mobile Sidekick phone and whether it might be returning in 2026. So the Sidekick was one of the most iconic phones in the early smartphone era, and many people still remember its unique design and the keyboard. So the big question here is the Sidekick actually coming back? Let's try to find that out in today's video. So this is the official page from T-Mobile device Sidekick. You can just take a look at the design of this mobile. So T-Mobile Sidekick first became popular in the early 2000s. It stood out because of its swivel screen and full physical keyboard, which made the texting and the messaging very easy. At that time, it was especially popular with the teenagers and celebrities. However, when touchscreen smartphones like modern Android devices and the iPhones became dominant, the Sidekick slowly disappeared from the market. Touchscreens, bigger displays, and app stores changed the way people used phones. Recently, the rumors have started spreading online suggesting that T-Mobile could bring back the Sidekick in 2026. Now, these rumors mainly come from the tech discussions and the nostalgia from the people who loved the original device. But right now, there is no official confirmation from T-Mobile about a new Sidekick phone. If the device ever does return, it would likely include the modern features like 5G connectivity, Android software, improved cameras, and possibly a slide out or physical keyboard to keep the classic Sidekick feel. For now, the idea of a new Sidekick is mostly speculation, but it still shows how memorable that phone was for many users. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.